All right, before I get to the new video, I just wanted to shout out the contest winner, the comment contest trash winner. It's going to be Michael Gemmer. Congratulations. Come on down. You won yourself some trash. Woo! I'll show you what it is in a second, but it's yours. You won. Okay, here it is. It's a piece of Sluggie. It's part of the roll cage, part of the original roll cage. I welded it to this little triangle thing. And, yeah, you know, desk toy, whatever. It's your trash. Do with it what you will. You could even throw it out. That'd be kind of a dick move, but, I mean, a bad move. Sorry. Anyway, enjoy the video. Michael Gemmer. I think the way I want to do this is just have you DM me on Instagram. It's Wild Strawberry Garage. Slide in my DMs. Give me your address. And I'll get this thing sent out to you. Yay, Michael. What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Wild Strawberry Garage. Back down in the shop today, doing some stuff that I said I was going to do for days. Today I'm working on this middle cross member. Got it cleaned up. Got the old bit cut out. Show you over here. Okay, yep, there's the old bit right there. That's going to go back in. There's my 4 plates. I'm just going to drill them and set you up somewhere so you can see. Woo! All right, this is the drill that always wants to kill me. It's 3 times my age, and it likes to break wrists. All down my sleeve. I had to try it one time. See what all the hype was about. Maybe I'll get my own restaurant. A bunch of pretty ladies. That's a good drill bit. There it is. There's my 4 plates. All got holes in. And I'll show you how I'm going to do the rest here in a moment. So this is how the thing's going to go together. I got my plates on. I got room enough to run all the bolts and everything, and bolts and nuts. So what I'm going to do, just try to center on the plates as much as I can. And then I'm just going to tack these. Tack them fast, and then start fitting it back in the car. Tack them fast, screw the other plates on, put them on with bolts and nuts, and then see how it fits in the car. So yeah, get to it. Just a little bit too wide yet. I gotta take off, probably a little bit off this side, because I I think it could stand to be straightened up a little bit as well. So yeah, just gonna go at it with the grinder, take off a little bit at a time until this thing fits. So I'm pretty happy with the way this thing's fitting. Down and show you. There, yep. Kind of see from the top. Everything's lining up nice. Right back home. So I'm gonna buzz this thing in. Yeah, and then make sure it'll come off. So here we go. So right now what I'm gonna do is just buzz in the other side that's not attached. I'm just gonna tack it in a few spots, and then I'm gonna make sure this whole thing will come out as easy as I want it to. So I'll drop it out, tack it, drop it out, and then put it back in, and put the bolts on and buzz it a little better, and then take it out again and do the finish weld. Okay, I got this thing moving pretty good now. Just got it lined up. I'm about ready to buzz it, but it'll come right in and out easily. Yeah. And I like it. I like it. So I'm just gonna finish up the welding, bolt it back together, and one step closer. You fell. I didn't even know. All right, so I'm making some real progress today. I got the cross member done, and I'm actually going to get to spritzing some primer on here once I get the dust cleaned off this frame. To do that, wax and grease remover, paper towels, and I got red oxide primer. going to be a dusting. This is so that this thing doesn't flash rust. It's all going to get prepped again when I get ready to spray epoxy. So that's why you see me kind of rushing through this. It's just purely so it doesn't flash rust over this pit. In fact, it's been down here in raw metal now for a few days, and it already had some flash rust coming up that I've cleaned off with the wire wheel again, and I just want to get something dusted over it quickly just to stop that from happening. So that's why I'm rushing and cutting corners. So yeah, there we go. Good day today. Actually got a little bit done. Boy, no, it's just grease. Yeah, I actually got some stuff done. Some of what I said I was gonna get done, I got done. I'm happy with that cross member. Yeah, happy with the paint on with the primer on the frame, and so now I can start mocking up the suspension and getting myself to a roller, one step at a time. All right, check in later. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe.